everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are opening up the first subscription box I ever received or subscribed to in my life, Birchbox. Leave a comment down below. What was the first box you ever subscribed to? I know we've talked about this before, but I must be reminded. I know some people are newer here since the last time we had this chat. If you are, hi, I am Kitty. I love subscription boxes and I open them pretty much every single day here on our channel, so I would love it if you subscribe before you go. And yeah, everyone else who's been here before, how are ya? But yeah, we're gonna open Birchbox today. It is a beauty subscription. It is full of sample sizes. It's $15 a month, and there's usually a code. Every month it changes, but like if you subscribe for a certain amount of months at a time, you get like a gift. Sometimes it's like Sunday Riley or something like that. So I'll leave the link down below if you want to check it out. The boxes are usually different every single month. And you get to customize your box. There's a bunch of different ways you can customize it. You can pick a sample, you can pick one of the curated boxes, you can swap out your box for points to spend on their store, so they have items for sale. So really the whole point, like how they started, was getting sample sizes from like luxury, skincare, and beauty and hair care brands, and you get to try it out before you splurge on something expensive. So you can do that if there's like something in a past box you really liked, or you can swap it out for a full-size item that month if they have that option. So yeah, there's a bunch of different ways you can do that. I don't believe I chose this month. I tend to forget, but yeah, love the blue. So let's just get right into it, see what's inside. I hope you guys are liking this more like casual, like quicker, like just one box, not mega unboxings I've been doing lately. It's just been really working for my schedule and like everything going on. So the theme this month is 2022. I'm so glad it's 2022. Refresh, renew, reU. And it says, this year, let's slow down and reconnect with the brightest, most authentic version of ourselves. This month's box was curated to inspire relaxation, renewal, and connection. And it talks about the stuff inside and gives full size pricing and a little description. And it'll tell you like if it's clean or woman founded. See what we got. Seems like more stuff than usual maybe, but yeah, definitely a sample. So first thing here we have by Benefit, the Bad Gal Bang Bigger, Badder Volumizing Mascara. I like getting this size mascara sometimes. I mean, my favorite mascara, I like that full size, my favorite mascara. Everyone can probably say it with me now if you've been around, is the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I have used that one in the past, and I know a lot of people love it too. Benefit, to my knowledge, is still not cruelty-free. Someone let me know if that's changed. But next up, we have something by Arrow. Arrow is a brand I believe was created by Birchbox. Oh, nice. I like stuff like this. I'm trying to be healthier and like everywhere, but like my hair and skin and stuff. Well, my skin I was already good with. My hair. Detangling in Texture and Protect Spray. I like the colors of it. Not like I'm some like major football fan, but it reminds me of my Chicago Bears. I shouldn't say that. I'm a huge go Bears. The Bears. But next up we have Commodity Gold. Ooh, is this perfume? I'm like uncrossed my eyes. I'm like, I'm ready for this. I love getting fragrances. So this is Scent Space. Expressive for me and the many around me. Brand philosophy. The art of perfumery should be intuitive. Oh, I love that. Intuitive. I'm an intuitive divine goddess, but that's what I tell myself. I read tarot, and I have another channel called Kitty Outside the Box. If you guys are into that stuff, spirituality, intuition, tarot, I'll link that down below. But at Commodity, we're demystifying fragrance in order to make the exceptional accessible. We like to keep things simple, no smoke, no mirrors, just a passion for the ethical elements. Elemental and atypical. I like that. Are they the brand I have the one that's called Paper from? Literally, like I like it. I know someone commented they didn't like the scent of it, but yeah, I think it is. So this fragrance is gold. Does it tell me like what the notes are or whatever? Or is that what it was for me and the many around me? I don't know. I don't think I put on perfume, even if I did. Okay. It has a nice mist. Oh, it smells good. Yeah, it's definitely, comparing it to the other one I have by them, which I think is really called Paper. Ooh, you know how scents like change over time? I'm trying to get better with it. Let's see if it says anything here, but it smells good. It's like a warmer scent, if that makes sense. It's reminding me of something I can't, oh, vanilla. It's like such a basic thing. I'm like, it's reminding me of something. So Well, the full size, well, fragrances are expensive. The full size is $120, by the way. But this scent is an intoxicating journey to one's innermost desires. I don't know why I have to say it like that. Thoughts and impulses. It's warm. I said warm. I got one word right. It's warm, gourmand scent is a blend of molten amber, balsamic benzoin, and sweet vanilla. I'm too proud right now about saying warm. But let's move on to the next thing. Is this hand sanitizer? What are you? Oh, I think it's a hair product. It's N4 or number 4. High Performance Hair Care Lumiere Elixir Restore and Repair Oil. I want oil to put on my ends. I've been trimming my own hair a little bit because it was like awful, but I feel like I could totally use this in a little, like, since I have such fine hair, like thin hair, I only need a little bit of this. That's so weird. Why? My blinds, like, to my patio, like, are pulling, but they just started shaking and there's like nothing different. I mean, there's a fan on, but my cat's sleeping right there. Maybe it's my divine spirit team just saying hi because I acknowledged my own. Anyways, where is this? Oh, I was saying this is tiny, but it'll last a long time because you only need a little bit of oil. And this is lightweight oil. Cool. And then we have 2 products here left, and they are both by Orbe. And one is their Gold Lust Transformative Mask. And the next is their Run-Through Detangling Shampoo. Nice. This is good. Like, remember that one time, a long time ago, I had like really matted hair because I was trying to like volumize it and like use like mousse and stuff and I didn't brush it. That was a mess. I could have used this detangling shampoo. Oh my god, I'm going to save it for some time like that. But I do like Orbe as a brand. And I really like their packaging when it's like ombre like that. But that was everything in my Birchbox for January. I thought it was pretty good. You guys have to let me know what you think, what you guys got in your Birchbox, if you still subscribe. And I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. Remember, let me know what your first box was, or what's the most recent subscription you subscribed to, and what do you recommend for our channel? Because I think I paused my Birchbox, a lot of boxes actually, for upcoming months. Mostly to save money because I was sick for a while and I didn't have any income coming in really. But yeah, I think I paused a lot, so I'm hoping, you know, I'm trying to bring in more abundance in my life. I'll be able to get more boxes to our channel. So let me know what you guys would like to see. I love your input. I love talking to you guys. But yeah, thank you again. I'm so grateful for you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.